In today's tech time, let's see about 7 simple HTML snippets to avoid libraries, accordion. Sometimes you might want to hide some content and allow user to reveal it manually. For example, FAQ section, you can achieve the described functionality with pure HTML, thanks to details tag, tooltip, to specifies extra information about an element. It is most often shown as a tooltip text when the mouse moves over the element. HTML built-in title attribute can be used to give a detailed description of something. Content editor. In order to edit content, you don't have to use input or text area fields and set the default values for them. Block quote. When writing articles, you might want to highlight some of your favorites quotes. You can use a block quote tag for that. Add some custom styling. You have an element that will stand out from the rest of the text. Progress bar. The progress tag represents the completion progress of a task. Use it in conjunction with JavaScript to display the progress of a task. You can use it to display various actions, such as a download, file transfer, or installation. Dropdown. Instead of listing all the options on the screen, you might include them into dropdown. Using the data list tag will allow users to select options from dropdown, while also allowing to enter their own values. Slider. Slider is a common component to collect the user input in the specific numeric range. You can use input type range to get a fully functional slider, where you can set the min, max, and current value. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.